Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Myself Jay Patel and I am a Microsoft MVP in business applications category. And today in this video I'll be talking about the Power Platform certification roadmap. So if you are someone who has been working in this domain, let's say if you are a Power Platform developer or a Dynamics 365 developer, then it is really important for you to understand that what are some of the changes which are brought by Microsoft when it comes to certifications, right? So earlier we used to have some set of certifications which used to, give when you're working as a Power Platform developer, but now there has been a few changes into it. And as you can see on the screen, some of the old certifications are still there, but we have got a lot of changes with the advent of AI because Microsoft is focusing a lot on including AI in business applications. So if you see on the screen, we have the certification from the fundamentals level to the architect level, right? So for the fundamentals level, we still have the PL 900, which is Power Platform Fundamentals. And we have now new certification, which is called AB 900, which is Copilot and Agent Admin Fundamentals. So if you're someone who has been working on Power Platform, these two certifications are good to go if you have just begun your career in this domain and you want to get a Microsoft certificate, right? Then we have associate level of certifications in which we have PL 400. You all know this, right? It's a very famous certification exam of Microsoft when it comes to Power Platform, which is Power Platform Developer Associate. So it's still there, right? Then we have AB 410. Now, this is a new certification which is coming in June, and this replaces the PL 200 actually. So, this is Intelligent Applications Builder Associate, and this focuses on building AI first apps with Copilot agents and automation in one unified workflow. Then we have AB620, which is AI Agent Builder Associate, and this is also coming in June 2026. And this focuses on building production ready Copilot Studio agents and multi agent solutions for enterprise integration. So these are two new certifications which are, in the beta version right now, but they'll be, coming out from the month of June. And then we have two applied skills certifications as well, which are create agents with Copilot Studio. And then we have Microsoft Applied Skills, build an agent first app. So when we talk about the create agents with Copilot Studio, this demonstrates hands-on ability to build custom agents with Microsoft Copilot Studio, and this credential is directly aligned with AB620, right? And the second one, which is build an agent first app, this is going to come in June, and this demonstrates hands-on ability to build an app that surfaces a Copilot Studio agent and craft effective prompts for it. So these are the three different levels. And then for the architect level, we have now a new certification, which is AB 100, which is Microsoft Agentic AI Business Solutions Architect. I recently appeared for this examination and it was a great experience. And this is a new flagship certification and serves as a natural replacement for PL 600 and PL 500 in the architect track. So if you know, like we had PL 600, which was a very famous examination, but they are going to retire that in July. So instead of PL 600, now if you want to get an expert level, or I would say architect level of certification, then AB 100 is the way to go. This certification validates the design and leads the AI first enterprise architectures, orchestrating multi agent solutions and integrating Copilot, Azure Foundry, and Dynamics 365. And you at least need one associate level certification in order to give this certification exam. I mean, this is not a mandatory thing, but this is just a recommendation that you should first, like if you're just trying to go through this path, it's important that you first clear any associate level of certification. You should have that level of understanding, and after that you can appear for this certification exam, which is AP 100. And the change which they have brought with AB 100 is, what we used to have with PL 600 was quite focused on non AI part, I would say. but now they have been, they have included a lot of questions on Copilot into that, and how we can integrate the, Copilot Studio agents into our Dynamics 365 practices. I'm definitely going to come up with a separate video on AB 100, where I'll be discussing about what are the different types of topics which you need to go through, and what should be the preparation strategy if you want to appear for the examination. So I'll definitely come up with that video as well, so that it can, give you an idea, and it will also help you with your preparation. But yes, this is the entire roadmap now, which is the updated roadmap. Things have changed what they used to be earlier, but this video is especially for the organizations which are planning to, tell their employees to do different types of Microsoft certifications. So this is the roadmap for you guys, which you can refer to, and then you can, plan on to, making sure that what type of certifications the employees have. I hope that this video was helpful, and if that's the case, then please make sure that, you share this video with your friends, your colleagues, and also subscribe to this channel. That really motivates me to, you know come up with more such amazing content. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.